Drama in the capital as well. Even hours before the UPA-2 dinner party, strained ties are very clear between the DMK and the Congress. In the latest coming in, we know that Mamata Banerjee will also be not attending that dinner tonight. Nandita Suneja joining us with the latest details. At least as far as the DMK is concerned, Nandita, the displeasure is quite evident, isn't it?
Yes, it is, Tamanna. The Congress is looking at, the DMK's lack of enough attendance here at the UPA's dinner, which is scheduled to start in just about an hour from now, vis-a-vis Mamata Banerjee turning out the invitation or not coming here very differently. We've been speaking to Congress leaders, and what they seem to say is that since Mamata Banerjee has just taken oath, less than 48 hours back, there are issues that she has to sort out there, and the fact that she is sending representatives is enough really for the Congress to be satisfied. They feel that there isn't any sense of she boycotting the dinner per se, and they are telling us that things are quite good on the TMC Congress front. But as far as DMK is concerned, of course, on record, we've heard Mr. Digvijay Singh and leaders of the DMK say that, nothing more should be read into the fact that only Mr. Balu is attending. But we have been speaking to leaders in Congress, like I said, and they feel that there's definitely a certain amount of strain on the relationship between the DMK and Congress. Ever since the CBI probe, into the 2G spectrum scam started and heads really started rolling. The latest, I think, the nail in the coffin has really been Kanimuri's arrest, which has taken place 2 days back. And even though both parties realize that coalition is definitely a political compulsion and the alliance is here to stay, but there is definitely a somber mood within the DMK ranks, and the Congress realizes that, and that's really the underlying factor why we only see Mr. Balu attending the dinner tonight.
Now, Nandita, stay on with us because there have been efforts from both sides to definitely play down that rift. We heard from T.R. Balu earlier and a very, very brief comment from Digvijay Singh as well.
The dinner is enough. Then how do you ask the officer? Are you trying to fulfill for tax giving? Just how the election has been completed. So we have to go.
Today is the completion of the second year of this UPA-2, but there has been almost a visible crack between the DMK and Congress. How do you want to...
Where is the crack? They are attending.
Well, as far as Mamata Banerjee is concerned, it's a whole different ball game. Shambit on the phone line with us from Kolkata. Shambit, now Mamata Banerjee is sending a representative, but she won't be coming herself. Of course, she's also a chief minister now, so she need not. But questions are still being raised. All right, I don't have Shambit on the line. Let me go across to Nandita. Nandita, eyebrows still being raised about the fact that even though as a chief minister she need not be there, she's not in the capacity of a union minister, but Mamata Banerjee could have been present to show solidarity.
Definitely, she could have been present, but how the Congress is looking at it is that, there were murmurs that is it because the Prime Minister and Congress President Sonia Gandhi didn't attend her swearing in, so is it some sort of give back from Mamata Banerjee? But what we've been told is that senior ministers like Pranab Mukherjee, Home Minister P. Chidambaram, they were all there at Mamata Banerjee's swearing in ceremony. There is no reason for any strain to be there or any wrong signals to be sent by Mamata Banerjee to the Congress here. Remember, the Congress has got 7 portfolios in that ministry that Mamata Banerjee is taking care of right now in West Bengal. So the Congress isn't looking too much into it. What they seem to be telling us is that it's only because of her commitments there that she's not attending. Of course, there's definitely an admission as far as DMK is concerned, admission of friction, admission of strain, of stress. Remember, former Chief Minister Karunanidhi is also travelling to Delhi tomorrow. That will be something to watch out for. But as far as the TMC is concerned, the Congress quite all right with just representatives of TMC coming and Mamata Banerjee choosing to stay back to stay back in Kolkata.